Hello, everybody, newly registered members. This is your dashboard. For those of you that don't know how to share sponsor posts towards video ADS or perform a soft ADS, this is your dashboard. Every sponsor post is always posted below. You see the sponsor post below. You can see sponsor post for today. It carries the date so you know if it's expired or not. All you need to do is just click on the share button. When you click on the share button, it takes you directly to your Facebook page. As you can see, all you need to do is just click on post and you wait. As you can see, you are in for that day and you're done. But what I want you all to understand is every task you to perform, there's a notification bell here that shows you what you're doing for that day. Just click on the notification bell to see there are new sponsor posts for the day. As there you are performing just sponsor posts for today and you're done. If you're having video ADS or soft ADS, it will display on the notification bell the tasks you're performing for that day. So let me take you to where you find your video ADS and your soft ADS. Just click on these three lines here, these three button lines on at the upright side of your dashboard. Click on it and you can see ADS. Just click on ADS and you see soft ADS and video ADS. So if you are giving soft ADS as a task, you click on soft ADS and you perform the task. But right now there is no soft ADS, so if you're also giving a video ADS, you click on your video ADS, you click on video ADS, and the ADS appears, you watch it for that day. You're performing one task a day. Okay, so let me take you to your history. You can click on your history, you can check your inning history, your referral history, and your withdrawal history. For those of you asking on how you're going to withdraw at the last day of your subscription for activities inning, you click on the withdrawal, and it brings you here. It gives you two options to select your payment gateway. You can use OPay and you can use bank transfer. If you're using OPay, you have to put the amount. Your wallet will be your number, and you select: are you withdrawing activities in or referrals in? Or you use to go to the bank transfer. You put the amount you want to withdraw, your bank account name, your bank account number, your bank name, and the withdrawal type. You note when you go down, you see your available balance for activities and referral balance. So you have to perform your withdrawals based on the amount you have on your dashboard. Okay, let me take you back a little bit. Okay, come back to your dashboard. Your dashboard. Okay, let's go down a little bit. Well, this is where you see your last five referrals. Referrals are optional, but this way you see your last five referrals and their plans. So your last five inning histories, you see if you've earned for that day. You can check it here. So is the sponsor post video ADS. These are the innings for the day. And those of you that are looking for referral links, you can copy your referral links right from here and share it to earn commission on anybody that uses your referral link to register. Okay, that should be all on how to share, watch videos on Pack Beta. Okay, before I take you guys back, you need to look at this. We have a coupon vendors on your page. Click on it for any coupon you want to buy for yourself or for your members. You can click on it. You can see them. You can message any of them on WhatsApp. They are verified and they will attend to you as soon as possible. Okay, so that should be all for now. Thank you so much, guys, for listening. Thank you for sharing. Thank you for loving. Back better to the world, and we are here to stay, and we are here to make a difference. Thank you so much, guys.